Who wrote the famous work, Geetanjali? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Aurobindo Ghosh. D. K.K.N. Diruvalla. Answer. A. Rabindranath Tagore. Geetanjali is a collection of poems by Rabindranath Tagore, which earned him the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Who is known for the epic, Ramcharitmanas? A. Tulsidas. B. Kabir. C. Mirabai. D. Surdas. Answer. A. Tulsidas. Tulsidas is famous for writing the Ramcharitmanas, which is a retelling of the Ramayana in Awadhi. Which poet is associated with the Bhakti movement in Maharashtra? A. Sant Tukaram. B. Mirabai. C. Gyaneshwar. D. Surdas. Answer. A. Sant Tukaram. Sant Tukaram was a prominent Marathi saint and poet who contributed significantly to the Bhakti movement in Maharashtra. Who wrote the famous poem, Madhushala? A. Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. B. Harivansh Rai Bachchan. C. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. D. Makhanlal Chaturvedi. Answer. B. Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Madhushala is one of Harivansh Rai Bachchan's most famous works, celebrated for its symbolic and philosophical depth. Who is regarded as the Nightingale of India? A. Kamla Das. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Mirabai. D. Mirabai. Answer. B. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is famously known as the Nightingale of India for her lyrical poetry that reflects themes of patriotism and romance. Who wrote the famous poem, Jana Gana Mana? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Aurobindo Ghosh. D. K.K.N. Diruvalla. Answer. B. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Jana Gana Mana, the national anthem of India. Which poet is known for the dohe, couplets, that convey moral and spiritual lessons? A. Surdas. B. Kabir. C. Mirabai. D. Tulsidas. Answer. B. Kabir. Kabir is known for his dohe, which convey deep spiritual teachings and social critiques. Who is the author of The Golden Threshold? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Kamla Das. C. Mirabai. D. Subramania Bharti. Answer. A. Sarojini Naidu. The Golden Threshold is a collection of poems by Sarojini Naidu, reflecting her romanticism and nationalistic themes. Which poet is associated with the modernist poetry movement in India? A. Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. B. Agha Shahid Ali. C. Nisam Ezekiel. D. Vikram Seth. Answer. C. Nisam Ezekiel. Nisam Ezekiel is considered one of the prominent poets associated with modernist poetry in India. Who is the author of The Waste Land? A. Kamla Das. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. T.S. Eliot. D. Nisam Ezekiel. Answer. C. T.S. Eliot. The Waste Land is a famous poem by T.S. Eliot, a modernist poet. Although he was born in the US, he spent a significant part of his life in England. Which poet is known for his poetry based on the theme of social reform and humanism? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Aurobindo Ghosh. C. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. D. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Answer. A. Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore's poems often touched on social issues, humanism, and the importance of education and freedom. Who wrote the famous poem, Vande Mataram? A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Subramania Bharti. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer. A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in his novel, Anandamath, and later became a symbol of the Indian independence movement. Who wrote the book, My Story? A. Kamla Das. B. R.K. Narayan. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. K.K.N. Diruvalla. Answer. A. Kamla Das. My Story is an autobiographical account by Kamla Das, famous for her bold and confessional style of writing. Who is the poet of the famous work, Rashmirathi? A. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. B. Tulsidas. C. Surdas. D. Mirabai. Answer. A. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. Rashmirathi is an epic poem by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, focusing on the character of Karna from the Mahabharata. Who is the author of Prithviraj Raso? A. Chand Bardai. B. Kalidasa. C. Tulsidas. D. Surdas. Answer. A. Chand Bardai. Prithviraj Raso is an epic poem written by Chand Bardai, which narrates the life of the Rajput king Prithviraj Chauhan, who is known as Kavi Guru in Indian literature. A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. C. Jayashankar Prasad. D. Subramania Bharti. Answer. A. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is affectionately called Kavi Guru, teacher among poets, due to his immense contribution to Indian and world literature. Which poet is considered the pioneer of modern Gujarati literature? A. Narmad. B. Umashankar Joshi. C. Jawharchand Meghani. D. Dhirubhai Thakar. Answer. A. Narmad. Narmadashankar Dev, popularly known as Narmad, is considered the father of modern Gujarati literature for his progressive works. Who wrote the Tamil epic Silappadigaram? A. Ilango Adigal. B. Kambar. C. Thiruvalluvar. D. Subramania Bharti. Answer. A. Ilango Adigal. Silappadigaram is a Tamil epic poem written by Ilango Adigal, narrating the tale of Kannanagi and her quest for justice. Who is known as the Shakespeare of India? A. Kalidasa. B. Tulsidas. C. Bharavi. D. Bhavabhuti. Answer. A. Kalidasa. Kalidasa is often referred to as the Shakespeare of India, due to his poetic genius and timeless works like Shakuntala and Meghaduta. Which poet wrote the famous work Abhigyan Shakuntalam? A. Kalidasa. B. Tulsidas. C. Bhavabhuti. D. Banabhatta. Answer. A. Kalidasa. Abhigyan Shakuntalam is a Sanskrit play by Kalidasa, considered a masterpiece in classical Indian literature. Who is known as Rashtrakavi, national poet of India? A. Maithili Sharan Gupt. B. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. C. Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. D. Jayashankar Prasad. Answer. B. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar earned the title Rashtrakavi for his patriotic and inspirational poetry during India's independence movement. Which Indian poet was also a prominent philosopher and wrote Savitri? A. Aurobindo Ghosh. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Subramania Bharti. Answer. A. Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh wrote Savitri, an epic philosophical poem exploring themes of spirituality and human consciousness. Who wrote the famous poem Jhansi Ki Rani? A. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. B. Mahadevi Verma. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Kamla Das. Answer. A. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan's poem Jhansi Ki Rani celebrates the bravery of Rani Lakshmibai during the Indian Rebellion of 1857. Which poet composed the classical Sanskrit work Meghaduta? A. Kalidasa. B. Bharavi. C. Bhavabhuti. D. Bhasha. Answer. A. Kalidasa. Meghaduta is a lyrical poem by Kalidasa, where a cloud is personified as a messenger. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for Literature? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. R.K. Narayan. D. Aurobindo Ghosh. Answer. A. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize in 1913 for his collection, Gitanjali. Who wrote Sufi Lyrics, a collection of poetry inspired by Sufism? A. Bulleh Shah. B. Kabir. C. Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. D. Agha Shahid Ali. Answer. A. Bulleh Shah. Bulleh Shah's Sufi lyrics reflects Sufi themes blended with contemporary poetic style. Who is known as the Adikavi, or first poet of Sanskrit literature? A. Valmiki. B. Vyasa. C. Kalidasa. D. Bharavi. Answer. A. Valmiki. Valmiki is called the Adikavi for his epic, the Ramayana, which is considered the first Sanskrit kavya, poetic composition.